grade 5. Today we are going to start on the topic plant cell structure. In the previous lecture we have studied about animal cell structure. Now we will see what structures do plants have. So first of all they have some of the different cell structures than animal cells. First of all we will see the first structure is cell wall. So cell wall is the first different structure from animal cells. So we will see the boundary of the animal cell is covered with cell membrane. So the cell membrane when covered with another thick covering, this is called cell wall. So the cell wall is the outermost boundary of the plant cell. This outermost layer of the plant cell is called cell wall. So all plants have cell wall. Like if we see animals, how animals maintain their structure and shape. So the animals use their skeleton. So they have their skeleton to maintain their shape and structure. They use their skeleton. This is the framework of bones to maintain shape and structure. While in plants, the cells, all plants have cell wall. The main function of the cell wall is to protect cell and to provide support to the plant cell. So this outer covering is called cell wall. This is cell wall. So the next we will discuss about vacuoles. In the animal cells, the vacuoles are very small in size and they are many in number. In plant cells, the vacuole is very large than animal cell. So this is the larger vacuole in a plant cell, and this is large in size. That's why it pushed aside the nucleus to the one side than the animal cell. So it also contains a sap in it. This is a liquid type material. So this sap maintains shape and protect plant from wilting. ये पौधे को मुरझाने से बचाएगा कि पौधा मुरझाए ना उसको. You already have know that the vacuoles contain water and food. So it will protect plant. This liquid sap will protect plant from wilting and will maintain its shape. So the third plant cell structure is chloroplast. So chloroplasts are very small bodies, small green colored bodies. You may have seen in the diagram that these are the green small bodies. So these green bodies are filled with the green chemical, that is chlorophyll. So the chlorophyll traps sunlight and make food for the plant. So this is the main part of the plant. Due to this green chlorophyll, the plant leaves appeared us to be green. हमें green leaves क्यों नजर आते हैं? Because of chlorophyll. This is the green pigment of the plant, due to which the leaves appear green. Green color के हमें leaves नजर आते हैं, and these are also called the food factories of the plants. Leaves also called the food factories of the plant. So these are all parts of the plant cell. First of all, we have also seen that this is a cell wall, outermost layer, and the inner layer is called cell membrane. This space where all these organelles are placed is cytoplasm. The green bodies are called chloroplast. This is a large size vacuole, and this is nucleus. So this is the plant cell structure. Now we will see a difference between plant and animal cell. So I have write the difference between plant and animal cell on the board. So let's see them one by one. So first characteristic is outer boundary. So the outer boundary of animal cell is called cell membrane, while the outer boundary of plant cell is called cell wall. The shape of animal cell is not regular. As in the previous lecture I have drawn the shape of animal cell. So the regular shape means it will be rectangular, triangle, circular. These are the proper shapes called regular shapes. So the animal cell have no regular shape, while the plant cell have regular shape, box like shape it has. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी ड्रॉ करके दिखाई है. So the nucleus, next characteristic is nucleus. The nucleus of the animal cell is in the center, while the nucleus of the plant cell is at one side of the cell because of the large vacuole. So next characteristic is chloroplast. So chloroplast are present in the animal cell. Chloroplast is not present in the animal cell. So it is present in the plant cell, and it contains a green chemical called chlorophyll, which I have already told you that because of the chlorophyll, leaves make their food. So the plant make food with the help of chlorophyll. The next factor is vacuoles. Animal cells contain many tiny vacuoles. Small vacuoles होते हैं cell में, and the plant cell has large central vacuole. So we have studied today the plant cell structure and the difference between animal and plant cell. So your homework is to draw both diagrams of animal and plant cell structure. दोनों सेल्स की, एनिमल सेल्स की भी एक आपने डायग्राम ड्रॉ करनी है नोटबुक्स पे, उसकी लेबलिंग प्रॉपर करनी है, एंड द प्लांट सेल्स की भी आपने प्रॉपर लेबलिंग करनी है, ड्रॉ करना है उसे. एंड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल सेल. द डिफरेंस इज ऑल्सो गिवन ऑन योर टेक्स्ट बुक्स. So the write the difference on your notebooks also and learn it by heart. Hope you understand today's lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.